Hey guys, so I just got in my Madam Glam Polygel in the mail, and I wanted to open it with you guys so you could see what's in the package. I did purchase this myself. I wanted to get started in Polygel because I work in my apartment, so I can't use monomer anymore. We moved a year or so ago, so that's why I stopped making videos for a while. Then I became allergic to gels, the ones that I were using, which was eye gel beauties. I loved their products. We got a really good deal, but unfortunately I just can't use the gel polish or the gels from there anymore, or anywhere else. I think I'm allergic to Hema, so that's why I ordered these polygels. For one, it's an odorless product, which works in my apartment, and two, it's Hema free, and they also are without a lot of other toxic ingredients that other gels might have in it. So this is the inside of the package, which is pink, and I love it. It's so pretty. It matches my theme here on my desk. I got the base coat because it is Hema free, so, and it goes with their polygel. I got Ice Blossom, which is supposed to be their clear polygel. I like the way they come wrapped individually in case like a spill happened in shipping. So Ice Blossom is supposed to be clear. Lily of the Valley is white. And Dahlia I've seen on a lot of other people's videos. I was trying to find a cover pink. Their website, the pictures don't really show, in my opinion, like the color that well. So I watched a lot of videos and I think this should be okay. But I'm going to swatch them all for you in just a few minutes after I get them open here. Okay, so I decided I'm going to use some dual forms to swatch them. It makes more sense than using a swatch stick because I don't have that many left and I want to save them for my polishes and things like that. So these dual forms I had just gotten in another kit from Makarrt. Then I've got my 70% alcohol solution in here. I already had a brush from Makarrt. I didn't want to purchase a $20 polygel brush from Madam Glam because to me it's a little pricey. I already had this one, and you can get them on AliExpress for just a few dollars. Alright, first is Dahlia. That is a beautiful cover pink. Let me see if I can see that. I'm going to show you from above as soon as I get it on here. This is really easy to work with. I remember when I had first started with doing nails, I tried Makartt's polygel, and it was a mess. I had it everywhere. It was so sticky. But this one is just, it feels like working with acrylic. It's not sticking to my brush at all with the 70% alcohol. I used the slip solution from Makartt the other time. Maybe it was that. I don't know. But this is just really easy to work. I'm surprised. I'm shook, as the young kids would say. This is Dahlia. Beautiful cover pink color. So this is Dahlia up close. I thought I'd give you a closer view and against the white. This is kind of a thin coat, so it is a little bit see-through, but I think that would be perfect. You could build it up to be completely opaque, or leave it a little thinner and have your little moon show on your nail and nail bed and make it more realistic. But I think that's a perfect color for a cover. All right, now we have Lily of the Valley. which is a nice opaque white. It's not like a milky white. Really pliable, easily to maneuver. I'm just pressing and pulling just like I would acrylic. I mean, this is amazing. I love that there's no odor. I can still sculpt because I miss doing acrylic nails so much. And so I can finally do that. And I've been wanting to do French, and these are the perfect colors to do it with. So that is the white. Here's the white next to the cover pink. Next we have Ice Blossom, the clear. My little 2-year-old's right next to me. I just couldn't wait to do these swatches as soon as they came in. I could have waited till he was sleeping, but you know how it is. When you get nail mail, you want to open it. It looks really clear coming right out of the tube. He's laughing. So, again, really easy to work with. I just press it and put it in the alcohol solution and then dab off the excess. If you get this polygel like too wet, it will mess with the formula, meaning like if it's too watery looking and milky, it's probably going to cause lifting or some other issues. Yeah, they don't have a big selection of colors. They really only had like 4 or 5, I think 5 or 6 possibly, of the basic colors. There was like a clear pink, I think, maybe a couple others. And then they had like the colorful color changing line, but I don't see myself using that one too much. It'd be nice if they came out with a lot of different colors. But anyways, these are the 3 colors, and I'm gonna cure them and see how hard they are and stuff when it comes out of the lamp. Alright, so they're all cured. I cured them for 2 minutes a piece, just to make sure that they're good to go. But yeah, when you hear that clicking sound, you know that they're cured. Alright, so I got them out of the dual forms, and as you can see against my white paper towel, the clear has a slight, I don't know, it's slightly a little bit yellow looking, I guess you would say. The white is bright white, the pink is beautiful, and I think if you're encapsulating something, or you're not going to even notice that. But yeah, that's the clear, the cover pink, perfect, beautiful color. It's Dahlia, I'm sorry, not cover pink. And this is the white, which is the Lily of the Valley. So I'm looking forward to trying this out here. I'm going to do an overlay on my practice hand and see how that goes. That'll be for another video, but I just wanted to share this with you because I was excited. Have a great day, everybody.